Alrighty, you guys, what is up? So, we have the red-headed stepchild, so to speak, of the crypto world, Dogecoin, or Doge. We're going to take a look at what it's doing, what that means, where I would buy in, what my stop loss would be, and what my price target would be if and when I do buy in. So we're going to cover all of that. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button as we pump out charts constantly for you guys. And we try to go live as much as possible to answer your charting questions and just kind of have that free teaching moment. I'll never try and sell you a course, and I promise I'm done rambling. So we did bounce off of the bottom of the Bollinger Bands here. I don't look at the bands that much. I really just use the bands to look at consolidation and the tightness of a pattern. But are we still bullish? Yes, of course, we're still bullish. Now, we did break down below this line right here, and if we continue, then yes, we will turn bearish. But at this point, I still see Dogecoin as bullish. Now remember, I only look at technicals. I do not look at fundamentals, nor do I look at Twitter. Okay, so let's make that really clear right there. I do follow Elon on Twitter, but him tweeting something does not make me want to buy or sell it. Something with this much hype, kind of like the XRP supposed pump at 8:30 p.m. that we charted live and called the dump, and it dumped. So I don't like hype for one, but for two, I play purely technicals. So let's take a look and see if we found support here on a Fibonacci retracement. We're going to take the lowest point of the impulse to the highest point. Just going to be right there, and we do see we find it once and twice, almost 3 times. So we are bouncing quite nicely off there. Our stochastic is consolidating very nicely down here, which could speak to a pump coming. Now the RSI here, one thing that would lead me to believe as to why it dropped this much, right? The first time we pumped, we dropped this much. Second time we pumped, man, we dropped way more. Well, the first time that we pumped, and let me grab a trend line, we had confirmation. Okay, we had confirmation there. We had confirmation here that the upside was good, right? Well, now on this next one, okay, where we have this bullish move here on the price action, we have bearish divergence on the index or our momentum indicators, okay? So that right there could be the reason why we see this larger downside before we pump back up. Okay, now we can see the MACD here is maybe starting to curl up. Now to get a better idea, we can look at the 4-hour inversely to the day that we were looking at. Of course, the 4-hour, one candle now represents 4 hours of price action between bulls pushing it up, bears dragging it down, and that's what any candle represents on any time frame. 4 1-hour candles is a 4-hour candle, and of course, I lost my train of thought there. 6 4-hour candles is a day candle, so on and so forth. So taking a look here, this right here, let me grab this. A little bit of a pop on the index there, and a little bit of pop on the price action. So this right here, with the index showing bullish, the price action showing bullish, and we can even take this right here, the selling volume has decreased, inversely our buying volume has increased. So these are all very bullish signs for Dogecoin, right? So we have now confirmed that yes, Doge is bullish. Well, where would I be looking to buy? Let me throw this back on here. So riding this 50% retracement from the top, I feel that right now would not be the worst time to buy in. At 049 or 05, I believe 049 or 05 would be a decent entry. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a professional trader, but personally, if I was to buy in or take a larger stake in Dogecoin, I would feel comfortable doing that right here at the exactly 5-cent mark. Now, say we do bounce from here, say we do not go lower, what would be my sell target? Now, you already know if you've been watching the channel that we played Dogecoin between 4 cents and 8 cents, got a quick double up, and got out. Lowest point of retracement would be right there. So if I was to play this yet again, I do believe my exit would be right around 0.82, right above the 8-cent mark. Okay, and that would be a nice, let's see, what would that be? that would be about a 55% gain, right? So that would be a very, very healthy gain to anyone's portfolio, no matter how large or small. Now, where would my stop loss be? So we already know I would be comfortable buying in at 0.50. I would aim for 0.82, but if I was going to be stopped out, that would happen actually right here at 0.41. At 0.41, I would be stopped out, as we would be breaking below this retracement mark that we found from the top. So if we break below an already found and bounced off of retracement point, then I'm going to be looking for more downside, right? And that's the one thing that we definitely don't want. Now, you can see here that we made lower highs and lower lows, and then we flagged right here. So coming out of lower lows and lower highs, I do believe we have room to move up. But again, not a financial advisor. I am comfortable buying in at 0.50. I would be stopped out at 0.41, and my target for this run would be 0.82. Now, if you want to chart analyze, definitely leave that down below. Hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, as that seriously helps the channel. And we do have a Discord as well, Discord community, and I will be leaving that link below as well. Until next time, guys, keep profiting. No FOMO, no panic selling, don't chase. Always have two verified reasons or justifiable reasons, whether that be your indicators or your patterns or your charting. Always have at least a confluence of indicators leading you to a buy or sell signal. And again, never ever listen to anybody on social media.